Now we're going to talk about some keyboard tricks in the console. First of all, Control-C will stop the operation of a long printout or a loop of some sort. For example, if I type something that creates a long run like this, I'm just going to hold the Control key and C, and it will stop that thing dead in its tracks. All right, next, the Tab key. The Tab is used for finding commands, for one thing, finding valid commands. So let's say I've started a command, and I don't know what's next. If I click the Tab key, you'll see I can, oh, look, I can find some commands that are available to me there. I can also complete partial commands. So let's say get-s, and then I'll click the Tab key, and you'll see now I just get all the S's. Finding valid parameters. Now we haven't talked about parameters, but parameters come after a command or commandlet, and you can use the Tab key to help find what those are. We'll learn more about that later. Also, completing partially typed parameters. If I partially type a parameter, I can complete it by clicking the Tab key. Stepping through the valid arguments. Now, after commands and then parameters come arguments, and arguments are, like what path, for example, or what number do you want. Those kinds of things are arguments, and I can step through all the possible arguments when there's a finite set of them. We'll talk again about all those later. These are called enumerations, and we'll get to enumerations later on down the road. The up and down arrows will allow me to step through old commands that I've made before, and then the down, that's the up arrow. Down arrow moves me back to where I left off. The copy console text, to copy console text, let me go to one that has something significant. Okay, here's something. If I just highlight what I want to copy, let's say I just want to copy this select execution policy. I'm going to just highlight that, and then I'm just going to right click with the mouse. Now all of a sudden it looks like my highlight went away, but believe it or not, that set execution policy has actually been registered. Let me get rid of this, and I'm just going to right click again, and it will paste it back again. So that right click on your mouse is both the copy and the paste. So those are a few of the keyboard tricks here in the and mouse tricks in the console.